so cool. So, my tomato juice cans are full of sawdust. It was sawed on a rotary saw, so it has no chain oil in it, no pollutants. And so I'm making some biochar by cooking this wood with the absence of oxygen. I'm making charcoal, or it's going to be biochar once I charge it with my worm castings. Anyway, the flame is just starting to come out those holes on the end. It just keeps building and building. Here shortly it'll be shooting up there 6 inches. But my video's over a minute now. I think I'm going to stop it. Anyway, this is just a really cool process. Pyrolysis. Making some biochar.